Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is obviously about my driving robot Mydfir, and last time I had some problems with controlling it. Also, when I had it on an exhibit, there were even more problems with the wiring, which is from on top of there due to gravity pulling it down. So why is it having problems? And I have to solve the wiring issue. Well, the wiring issue can be solved because this data link no longer needs to stay right in the middle, because it turned out to not make a difference. So that is going to change. Remains this failing connection. So first of all, remove all this. Put this to the side, and after that see to run it, and for that I will change to the screencast. But before going on, the battery pack is showing not as bright anymore, and the interface doesn't seem to do anything. So with the multimeter I need to check, and this check reveals absolutely nothing anymore. So that is not a very good sign. And what will happen when I replace the battery pack? Because it has not been that long since I charged this. So this is a fresh one. Let me put it like this. Much brighter light. That was the interface lights up. But there's not that much fault. So that doesn't promise much. Now it says about 8.5 volts. So let's keep it that way. Let's try to make contact. And once again, I need to verify with the data link, assuming it won't run anyway now. And the data link doesn't show a thing. Absolutely nothing at all. So that's a bad sign anyway. Yeah, let's connect it up. Alright, that's one thing. And no such device. Going twice. There's connection, but it doesn't do a thing. So once again, relying on the diagnostics interface. Open and close. Go. I hear the motor whining. And then stops again. So I'm still complete at the loss why this is happening, because it used to work flawlessly. The fact that the motor is whining may be indicating that the power is not enough. Let's replace the battery pack with a power adapter. So this is the cord of the power adapter, and there you have a problem. Okay, this LED only shows for the battery pack, but wiggling the wires and then the interface resetting is clearly a problem of the connector inside the interface. But anyway, let's try to run. It doesn't do a thing. It tries to communicate somehow. But even then, I think I need to use the diagnostics. And then, right. Oh, definitely. And yes, now it has enough power to run. Quit. Okay, this means very clearly that the power delivered by the battery packs is not enough, which is complicating things a lot. So the complication is that I have to find out somehow a way to keep the adapter cord up, which means that I somehow have to use this one anyway. But if you look at it, that's not going to happen nicely, so I'll have to find a solution to keep the wire up. In the meantime, I have to do it by hand and see that it makes a nice run after all. And here again it's resetting, which is not a good sign either. Anyway, let's try something. Alright, once again trying. And then single-handedly open the interface. And close it again. Going back here. Run. And noticing that it is completely offline. So this is not going to be easy. Every time, once again, resetting the interface and then hoping that this is not going to end up with a problem, although now jiggling this one doesn't show a reset at all. That means that the connector, the power connector in here, is seated nicely. So where's the problem anyway? Let's just hope so. Let's just hope it. And now it's off and on. This is not nice at all. Too much space in this. And off. I'm going to find another adapter, see if that solves the problem, and otherwise I really have to do something with it, because this one is totally out of warranty for many years. Maybe I can fix it, maybe not. And with another power adapter, it clearly shows that it is the interface power connector that is the problem. So, end of this experiment, I have to take it apart somehow. I don't like it, but if I want to use this for more tests and successful exhibitions, I have to. And with this new finding, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. For more information, please see my website, which is listed under the video, and you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. This is going to be continued, obviously. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.